What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. We're going to be doing another daily vlog today. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, like the video. Yesterday in the state of Texas, it was very warm all around the state. Here specifically in Amarillo, it was like 75 degrees. Perfect cookout weather. And then in less than 24 hours, we take a indirect left turn, and this is what we get. How that is possible, I don't know, but we're gonna get to the shop. I got a handful of appointments today. I think I have like 11 booked today, so we're gonna go get over there and get these haircuts taken care of. Hopefully I do not have no-call, no-shows, but that's what comes with weather like this. So we're gonna get to the shop and get these haircuts in.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
Shop, and this is what we're looking like here. Nothing too crazy. Roads are slushy. My client's late. I told him I was gonna be 10 minutes late, and I think they wanted to one-up me and make it 20. So we're gonna have to get them in and out when they get here, if they get here. But yeah, roads ain't bad. But let's get to these cuts. What kind of haircut we doing today, Nate, dog? That you usually get? Yeah. So, dang, bro, you haven't got a haircut in a minute.
3 months. 2 months.
I thought you were cheating on me, low key.
No.
Let's get it. What day is it? What day is it? What else is it? You got your green on?
Taco Tuesday?
Where's your green, bro? Yeah. Oh, bars. Let's take a field trip. Where'd you get your sleeve done, bro?
Vince. He used to be at the music box, but now he's at 8th Avenue Tattoo.
It's nice.
He's gonna do my leg in July.
That's clean.
Who did it? Vince Gonzalez?
Oh, he does do. Okay, can I see it?
Yeah. So he's my best friend's cousin. So I got all this for like 400, 600
This is the goal?
Yeah.
So because of the snow day, I got a big gap in my schedule. Well, a lot of people got a big gap in their schedule. So we came to go get something to eat. I'm taking the shop out to lunch. Minus men.
We all here.
Sergio and Jaime.
But we all out here.
On a side note, happy birthday. Everybody say happy birthday to just Jaime. If you watch the vlog series, Jaime's birthday today. go put happy birthday in the comments for our boy, Just Jaime. Just Jamie.
It's just his birthday.
It's just his birthday today. But we're gonna get some food, get back to the grind. Oh yeah.
Love it?
Hope the clients are wearing green because I'm gonna pinch them.
I'm wearing green.
Feasting. Squad lunch.
Hey,
Just half the squad.
we all here. Oh god, more water to turn the top. I told him straight up, I'm not gonna have time to put the top, you know? They're like, okay.
What kind of stimming moves you making today? Buy baby stuff? What kind of stimming moves y'all making? What kind of stimming moves y'all making this week? Ain't nothing changed but the extra commas in the bank account.
I'm just grinding like I'm broke, because I am broke.
Just got off of work. This is the only kid we have this week. The other two are gone with their grandma and grandpa. But I just got something in the mail. We're gonna open this up. So like I said, just got home and I got these dope shorts here from Barbell Brigade. So I've been hitting the gym a lot frequently, about 5 times a week. So I had to get some gym shorts to work out in, and these were it. But that'll be it for the vlog. Appreciate everybody for tuning in today. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, like the video, and until next time, God bless. Also, happy St. Patty's Day.